The renowned American businessman, investor, and philanthropist Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in Omaha in 1958 for 31,000 US dollars. He's known for his preference for simple, inexpensive meals, and he enjoys playing bridge, golf, and playing the ukulele rather than engaging in expensive hobbies. This is what he says about his lifestyle. Possessions possess you at a point. I don't like a $100 meal as well as a hamburger from McDonald's. That's the way I'm put together. I don't equate the amount I spend with the enjoyment I'm going to get from something. Sure, living frugally might be easier if you're rich, and a billionaire like Warren Buffett most likely has a different definition of frugality than you or I. However, the mindset is the same. Frugal people ask themselves if buying something adds value to their life. If it does and they can afford it, they buy it. If it doesn't, they move on. Warren Buffett is considered one of the most successful investors in the world. Despite his wealth, he's known for his frugal lifestyle. Why? Many people believe that living more frugally means you can't have fun. They think it means sad desk lunches of soggy bread or dog-eared library books smeared with weird fluids. Actually, it's the opposite. Frugality is liberating, as Warren Buffett seems to know. It's all about being smart with your money, focusing on what matters to you, cutting out wasteful spending, and finding new and creative ways to enjoy life. It helps you prioritize what's important, allowing you to have fun without overspending. But how do you go about adopting a more frugal lifestyle? Don't worry, your finance freedom friends got you. Follow a simple step-by-step guide to live more frugally and happily. In this video, we will tell you all about the benefits of a more frugal lifestyle and how to build a more frugal mindset, show you how to balance saving money with enjoying life. Why should you try to live more frugally? Living more frugally comes with several benefits. First, it leads to greater financial security. By being mindful of your spending, you can avoid debt and build a healthy savings cushion. Over time, these savings can grow and provide more financial freedom and flexibility. This financial safety net can give you peace of mind and reduce stress, knowing you're prepared for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Second, living more frugally is better for the planet. A frugal lifestyle often aligns with eco-friendly practices like reducing consumption, reusing items, and buying second-hand, which can help reduce your environmental impact. Third, it will make you happier and healthier in the long run. A study by the University of the Sciences in Pennsylvania found that 90% of people in the Simple Living movement said their physical health improved after voluntarily choosing to live more simply financially. Almost as many said their mental health improved too. The key is to live more frugally, not to deprive yourself of all joy and fun. Make small changes and see how the impact adds up. So the benefits of living more frugally are clear. Let's dive into creating a frugal lifestyle. Step 1. Shift your mindset. If you want to live more frugally, the first step is to shift your mindset from consumerism to intentional spending. Instead of buying things impulsively or because of societal pressures, frugality encourages you to think carefully about your purchases. Do you want that new lipstick because it will add value to your life, or because every influencer online seems to have it? By asking yourself questions like these, you can make more deliberate choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Check out our video on things we'd never buy and get inspired to shop less. Follow these 5 steps to create a frugal mindset. First, prioritize long-term goals. Shift your focus from immediate gratification to long-term financial wellness. This means being willing to forgo small luxuries now for greater financial stability in the future. Second, cultivate honesty and self-awareness. Be truthful about your spending habits and financial situation. This involves carefully examining your expenses and creating a realistic budget. If you don't know how to create a budget, take a look at our video on the 70-20-10 budget hack. Third, redefine happiness and success. Instead of equating happiness with material possessions, find joy in simpler pleasures and meaningful relationships. Fourth, shift from comparison to personal growth. Focus on your financial journey rather than comparing yourself to others. The key takeaway is, living frugally means learning not to see shopping as a reward or quick fix for your problems, but to spend your money intentionally. Before we share some more inspiration for living more frugally and still having fun, please take a minute to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and allows us to create more content for you. On to step 2. Learn how to balance saving money with enjoying life. You can still have a lot of fun without spending all your money. Depending on where you live, you might have access to a wealth of free or low-cost resources. For example, outdoor activities. Nature offers a wealth of free entertainment. Hiking, biking, picnics, and nature walks are all excellent ways to enjoy the outdoors, exercise, and clear your mind. Or social activities. Entertaining at home can be fun and frugal. Potluck dinners are a great way to share meals with friends without the high cost of dining out. Game nights are another fantastic option. Or find low-cost or free hobbies. Reading, writing, gardening, and crafting are hobbies that require minimal investment but offer immense satisfaction. Libraries offer free books, and many online platforms provide free access to ebooks and audiobooks. Volunteering and joining community groups are also great ways to pursue your interests and meet new people. The key takeaway is you have to find a sustainable balance. The goal is to enjoy your present life. Make mindful choices that align with both current desires and long-term goals. Countless apps and free resources will help you find and maintain a frugal lifestyle. We linked some of them in the video description. Step 3. Don't do this alone. Find a frugal community. When you connect with others who share your values and goals, you gain support, inspiration, and practical tips for saving money and living well. First, connect with like-minded individuals. One of the best ways to build a frugal community is by connecting with others who share your financial goals and values. Look out for online frugal living forums. Websites like Reddit's r/frugal or Mr. Money Mustache forums offer spaces for discussing frugal tips, asking questions, and sharing experiences. Social media groups like Facebook groups dedicated to frugal living, minimalism, or financial independence can be a great place to connect and learn from others. Or use local meetup platforms like meetup.com to find or even organize local gatherings focused on frugal living. Second, share resources and tips. A key aspect of building a frugal community is sharing resources and knowledge. This not only helps everyone save money, but also fosters a sense of community and support. For example, swapping books, clothes, and tools. You can organize swap meets or create community lending libraries for items that are occasionally needed but expensive to own. Or skill sharing workshops. Organize or find events where community members can teach each other valuable skills, such as basic home repairs, cooking, or budgeting. The key takeaway is that building a frugal community is a powerful way to enhance your lifestyle and make the journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. Why not start building a community right now by sharing your favorite frugal living tips in the comments? Now it's time to put theory into practice. Start small, make simple changes, like making your own coffee instead of getting Starbucks, or getting your audiobooks from the library. You will quickly see how these new habits translate into greater financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Follow us to catch all our financial freedom, job, and finance tips. And don't forget, you got this.